Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best vacuum blender. So let's get started. Number 7. Blendtec Designer 725 Blender. Blendtec Designer is a powerful blender that can withstand even the toughest ingredients in your kitchen. It has high-tech features that give you added control on the blending process. For example, it has Smart Blend technology, which provides you with feedback about the whole process. It operates in 6 different modes for easy control, and to ensure you get a smoothie of your preferred texture. It is also very fast in performance to enable you to make a smoothie while in a hurry. The blender has a wide jar to allow prepare smoothie in an amount that can satisfy a large family. Number 6. Tribest DPS 1050. This blender is among the pioneers in vacuum blending technology. It is a great blender that gives users easy control due to a variety of operation modes. It is well fitted for both commercial and residential use due to a power motor. You can prepare a smoothie for any ingredient, including greens, since the blender comes with a strong blade. However, remember not to add ingredients during the blending process if you don't want to lose your investment. It is best known for its temperature control capability, which prevents overheating, which can result in loss of nutrients. Number 5. MengK Smoothie Blenders. If you have never done blending before and you are looking for starter vacuum blender, this is the right choice for you. It comes with great features to prevent a beginner from making mistakes that can spoil his/her first shake or juice. You can make any type of combos with nuts, batters, or smoothies. It can be referred as a multipurpose due to its flexibility when it comes to smoothie genres. The blender is designed for preparing a large quantity of smoothie, which means it will consume a large space in your kitchen counter. Number 4. BlendWorks All-in-One. BlendWorks is a great vacuum blender that gives you everything you need to blend practically any juice or smoothie ingredient. It has excellent performance courtesy of its 3-way efficient processing technique. The blender's container is free of phthalate and other chemicals. This way, you enjoy an organic smoothie. It adjusts its speed during the blending depending on the amount and type of ingredient you are using. This makes it highly productive. Number 3. BESTEK Professional Blender. This blender from BESTEK is one of high-quality vacuum blenders designed for high-quantity processing. It is very powerful and very fast, making it easy for you to enjoy a healthy lifestyle simply. The blade of this blender will give your smoothie a unique texture. Maintenance and cleaning are 2 things everybody hates about blenders. Well, with this blender, that has been taken care of where you can wash it with a dishwasher without damaging its quality. You can enjoy making smoothies without worrying about cleaning the mess afterwards. Number 2. COSORI 1500 Watt Blender. This is a powerful vacuum blender that best suits professional kitchens due to its versatility regarding the wide range of ingredients it can process. It is one-for-all package with a high-performance capability. You can regulate the speed and pulse to suit your preferences for smooth operation. Besides being multifunctional with regards to processing capability, this blender can be used indoors and also while traveling. It has a 70-ounce container, which makes it suitable for indoors, and a 27-ounce bottle for traveling. Number 1. Vitamix Red 7500 Blender. This is a vacuum blender that comes in a simple design. It is great for beginners or professionals who are much occupied since it doesn't have a lot of buttons that can confuse. It is capable of blending any ingredient you may want to make a smoothie out of. The power of this blender comes at an extra cost. You will have to part with a great deal of money to own it. However, if you want to get a vacuum blender that will last you for a very long time to come, this is the right choice.